here. This is even, yeah, it is. Okay, stay there. Stay. I thought I'd start this video off good. Literally just recently bought these Nike SB GTS, brand new. So I thought, why not show you guys how I tie my shoelaces? Because I was doing this for ages, but to be honest, I never thought about making a video about it. But I was like, you know what? There's probably other people suffering as well. You know, one shoe's enough. But I will show you how to do it. I will. Ollie, please stop. Please. Oh no. Ollie, stop. Stop! Stop! Avada Kedavra! It's a bit messy. As you can see, it's not too bad though. But yeah, okay, so here we are. These laces are obviously much too long. So like if I just tie them regularly, then they're gonna be absolutely huge. I've been doing this method for ages and it works really well, and it actually makes the shoe more secure on your foot. So this is what I do. I just push this flat down, boom. Okay, what you want to do is you just want to take opposite ends of the shoelace and you basically want to just pop them through the hole that it's already coming through. So as you can see, that goes through that hole. Where it was coming out of, this one then goes into the same hole as that one's coming out of, if I can actually get it into the hole. So as you can see now, the shoelaces are shorter, but now you've got this bit to worry about. I have to admit, right, it does take a little longer to put your shoe on, but I guess for the added benefit that your shoe stays on better, especially if you're skating or doing any kind of like running or sport or something, then it can work out much better. So I'll show you what I mean now, like how it takes like a little bit more effort. Just go like this. What you want to do is you just want to loosen them up. So you want to pull this one like this. I'm going to pull this one this way, so there's a bit of room, and then what you want to do is you just take these, pull them a little bit, flap up, foot in, obviously put it on, and then to do it up, you want to just take these at the same time, pull them up, so it tightens them, get these two, go like that, and then when you tie your laces, they are much shorter, and now you have a decent looking knot. So yeah, now the laces aren't too long. And here's another tip as well, guys. If you're finding that when you do your bow up like this and it really annoys you because it goes off to one side, it's simply that I don't know why, but sometimes it works better if you do it the opposite way. So if you do like a underhanded kind of, you know, left-handed knot or whatever it is. So basically a normal one would be like this, but then when you do it the opposite way, so you go like this and that one goes under there, you'll find that magically the knot, the bow actually goes straight. And the thing that I like about this as well, guys, is even if this comes loose, because there's friction, quite a lot of friction here, the shoe doesn't come off even when it's like that. And obviously it wouldn't be any good if I didn't show you how to undo them. Pretty simple. You just undo them like normal, undo them, and then the magic is here. You want to take this, the very top row, and you just pull in opposite directions like that a little bit, and then you pull these the same as you put it on basically, and you just pull the flap up, and then your shoe comes out. But no, that's basically it. That's the fundamentals of the way that I tie my shoelace. I thought it was a bit better than some other ones I saw on YouTube, so thought might as well make a vid for you guys. So yeah. So yeah, guys, only a short vid, but make sure to subscribe because that really helps. And if you want to see some more tutorials or have any video suggestions, anything like that, leave it in the comments. Have a good day, guys.